Hello again. We're going to solve for this number of studs using feet now on the same wall. So we're saying that we had a 30-foot wall and I wanted my studs at every 16 inches on center. So I'm going to have to turn these inches into feet. So 16 divided by 12 is going to give us a 1.333. And it keeps repeating, as you can see. So then 30 divided by 1.333, and that's going to give us our answer. So I'm just going to go ahead and just grab a calculator, and I'm going to say 30 divided by 1.333 is going to equal to 22.5. So 22.5 rounds up to 23 plus 1, 24. And there's your answer using feet.